is to multiply by the conjugate of 4 minus square root of 5, which is 4 plus square root of 5. You multiply up and down by the same value. And then do your multiplication. Here, we multiply this. You know why? Because this is going to simplify. Can you see there is square root of 5 here? We can multiply it times 5. So this you multiply. Here, when you multiply, you get a minus b, this is on the form, a minus b times a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. So equals a squared minus b squared. So I put here 4 squared minus square root of 5 squared, ab. And then you can multiply 5 times 4, square root of 5 times 4 is 4 square root of 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times square root of 5, 3 square root of 5. Can you see here? It's wise to multiply because it gets simple expression. Equals. Here 16 minus 5, yeah? 16 minus 5. What is 16 minus 5? 9.
11? 11.
11. You're paying attention, huh? So 11. 4 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5 is equals what?
7 square root of 5.
7 square root of 5. Plus 5 and 12. 17. Is there anything to simplify here?
No.
Nothing. There is no common factor. 11 is like prime number. 7 prime numbers, all of them prime. There is nothing to simplify. This is your simplest problem. Here, we take in fraction as it is, multiply it up and down by the conjugate of the denominator is 1. So multiply. Bracket times this bracket in the denominator, okay? So this is like a plus b. This is a minus b. Can you see the same value?
Yes.
Times 4 square root of 5. This is my a squared minus 3 square root of 2 squared. I mean this, yeah?
Yes.
Copy it as it is here. Okay. Denominator, we need to do calculation. 4 squared is what?
16 by
16. Square root of 5 squared?
5.
5. 16 times 5. Minus 3 squared?
It's 9.
9. Square root of 2 squared?
2.
2. Yalla, do this in your calculator.